Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diandra. Today, after a few requests, I'm going to do a video on my skincare routine. So these are all the products that I'll be introducing in this video. In terms of my skin type, I have combination skin. My main issue is dry skin, so a lot of my products are very moisturizing. Then I have oily areas around like here and here. But generally, my skin is quite low maintenance. So actually, a lot of the products that I use are pretty affordable in my opinion. Most of these can also be found in drugstores. In terms of skincare, I use a lot of things that get recommended to me by my friends or I know that other people are using. I have a 3-day routine and I'll break this down into products that I use in the morning and products that I use at night and then products that I use on a daily basis. For my 3-day routine, and day 1 in the mornings, I use this vitamin C serum. This vitamin C serum is from Inky. I start my day off by first washing my face in the morning, but just with water, and then I spritz this vitamin C serum all over my face. 3 pumps, usually 1 on my forehead, and then 2 on my cheeks, and then I just rub it in. And then after that, I will use a daily moisturizer, and I've actually been using this Olay Moisturizer for the past few years, and I feel it does a pretty good job in terms of keeping my skin hydrated, and I've just really enjoyed using it because it's pretty lightweight and I haven't had any issues in terms of breakouts with this product. On day 1, I only use products in the morning. So that's pretty much all I do for day 1. These are the only 2 products that we'll use with the exception of sunscreen, which I'll cover later as well. Day 2, I don't use anything in the morning, and instead in the evening I have a 3-step process. First off, I use this toner by Glow Pixie. I've been using this for quite a while. You can see there's like barely anything left. But I put on this toner on a cotton pad and I just like wipe it all over my face. And after using this toner, I then use the ordinary Hyaluronic Serum. And again, same with the vitamin C. I would just take this and put 3 drops, 1 on my forehead, 2 on my cheeks, and then I'll just rub it in with my hands. And that's after using the toner. And once that has kind of seeped in, I will then end the night using this Cerave Vpm Moisturizer. I started integrating this in my nighttime routine because I'm getting pretty dry skin, and I'm hoping this will help me with my wrinkles and preventing them from forming more. Again, I just do 3 pumps, 1 forehead, 2 on my cheeks, and then I just rub that all in, and that's kind of it for my day 2 night routine. Day 3, I don't do anything. I don't really use any products in the morning or in the evening. I just kind of let my skin rest. In terms of my daily routine, I use this moisturizer in the morning all the time, especially if I'm going outside, because it does have some SPF, and this just has SPF 15, so it doesn't have enough sun protection, so I always layer this. I am currently cycling between 3 different sunscreens. This BRUV sunscreen, which is almost empty, is my favorite one to use during summer. It's water-based and so it's really light, but I've run out of it right now. I would recommend this for summer. I've also tried out this Thank You Farmer SPF 50 sun protection, and this sunscreen is a little bit thicker and more moisturizing, so it feels a little bit heavier during summer, but actually it's still not too bad. It's a Korean product, but I think you can get it quite easily online now. The other sunscreen that I've been using that is also moisturizing and a little bit more heavy is this COSRX Aloe sunscreen, and again this one is a little bit thicker and more moisturizing as well, which is a little bit heavier during the summer but perfect for winter time. And so these are the 3 sunscreens that I'm currently loving for summer. Definitely sunscreen is so important. I'm kind of sad that I didn't use this before. I would recommend everyone to integrate some sunscreen in their daily routines just to protect your skin, because prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to skincare. Also, these are all face sunscreen. I just use a basic body sunscreen when I'm going out. I feel like my body is a lot hardier than my face. In terms of cleansing my face, to remove my makeup, I've been relying on this Garnier Micellar cleansing water. I just take it, soak 2 pads on my face, and then just wipe it all off. And I use this Cerave Hydrating Cleanser on a daily basis. I really like it because it's super light and it doesn't strip off any of the oils on my face because I barely have any oils. When I use a stronger cleanser and once I wash it off, my skin feels super tight. And actually initially I didn't know that was an issue or that was not what you're meant to feel like, but after I started educating myself a little bit more on skincare, I realized that I've been using the wrong cleanser the entire time, and so I switched to this Cerave Hydrating Cleanser, and it's just really light. It's not the best to get rid of makeup, but on a daily basis this is really nice because it's soft and light, and I don't feel as if my face is stripped of all its oils after I'm done cleansing. I have this Fario Lunar face brush, and what I do is I put my cleanser on, and then in the shower I just cleanse everything off. Feeling super fresh. Another cleanser that I've been loving using is this Suicide Cleanser. I'm not sure if you can find it in the UK because I got it from Japan, but these come in really small capsules, and so they're perfect for traveling when I go on holidays. I just take a couple of them and put them in my bag. After I use it, I feel like my face is so nice and soft, and I'm obsessed with this. These are the cleansing products that I'm currently using. And lastly, if I was out in the sun after cleansing my face and taking off all my makeup, I use this Aloe Vera. I bought this in Korea a while back, but it's super useful for when I'm feeling like I've been out in the sun a bit too much. There's barely anything left, but I'm still just trying to salvage it to cool down my skin and make sure I don't burn. Just kind of put it on like that and just rub it in. And pray that I haven't burnt my skin. Yeah, it feels so nice and fresh and cooling. And I just use this aloe vera everywhere, on my arms, on my neck, on my legs, which is probably why I get through it so quickly. So that was kind of it in terms of my skincare routine. I know it's a lot less in-depth than a lot of people's, but I am still currently learning more and more about skincare, and these are the products that I've started using. So I would say that skincare products are very personal choice, and also the products that work for me may not work necessarily for you because everybody's skin type's different. But I am doing this video just to show some of the products that I really love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And this is my favorite headband to use. I got it from Korea.